ready made. Let's eat, everyone. Yummy food. Yummy food. Buche. That's yummy food. Let's go eat. Soup one. Sushi. Chuchi. Barbecue chicken. Crispy. Crab. Delicious food here, guys. Siran diet nyo dito, guys. Pag pupunta kayo, is Asian store. Cuba mango. Get one, guys. Come on. This was delicious mango. Get. Come on. Yahoo! Ang sarap mamili, guys. Ang sarap mamili. Come on, I feel hungry. Oh, happy birthday cake. Yes, happy birthday. What you got?
Oh yeah, but you want this?
I'm in the clothes.
So mommy rather have this than that.
This one.
It's so cute. Chocolate and this cake. It's cute.
Yo, this guy's stupid.
It's you. You're pushing me.
Oh la la, the cute cake. A rabbit, a dog. That's a cake, guys. Oh la la, that's cute.
Can
You don't talk to me. I tell you, you're forgetting.
It's Asian store, guys. Big Asian store. Asian grocery. It's mix up. Maraming pagkain dito. Maraming ano. Nandito na lahat, guys, ang hinahanap nyo. Saan pa kayo? Diba? Oh, pandesal, oh. Oh, pandesal, diba? Mix. Pila. Ang daming pagkain, guys. Oh, pila. Oh no, it's a big Asian here in Montreal. Big Asian store. Spoon, pork.